Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned camper looking for a smart budget-friendly upgrade, the Keystone Coleman travel trailer lineup offers practical comfort at a great value. It's what's made them the #1 travel trailer in America. Built by Keystone RV and sold exclusively at Camping World, these conventional travel trailers blend lightweight construction and straightforward features to make camping easy and comfortable for families, couples, and weekend adventurers. In this overview, we'll walk through the 2026 Keystone Coleman models, including floor plan options, specifications, standout features, and what makes these travel trailers easy to tow and easy to love. The Coleman lineup includes distinct floor plans designed to accommodate different camping styles and group sizes, including some of the most compact traditional campers on the market today. Several layouts include bunk options, ideal for families or those who love to bring along guests, while the remaining layouts suit couples and those who want a more spacious camper. You'll find a number of rear baths, rear living areas, and slide-out equipped designs to choose from. Lengths range from approximately 16 feet for those ultra-compact models, all the way up to nearly 32 feet in the longer Super Slide models. Dry weights span from roughly 2,400 pounds to almost 6,100 pounds, meaning most of the lineup is towable by a midsize SUV or light-duty truck, making the Colemans well-suited for a wide range of owners. So what else makes the Colemans perfect for so many campers? Well, Keystone took the legacy of America's best-selling travel trailer and reimagined it from the ground up, keeping affordability intact while raising the bar in nearly every other category. All new floor plans, features, and interiors, plus major improvements to favorites like the 17B and 17R, are all based on direct camper feedback and real-world use. Here's what to know. You're looking at compact yet capable, right? Coleman models are easily accessible to midsize SUV and light truck owners without sacrificing core features or comforts. All Coleman interiors feature 78-inch ceilings, which allow for larger showers, better ventilation, and a more open feel, especially noticeable in the compact models. Standard perks include great storage, color-coded wiring for easier maintenance, inverted outlets prepped for solar, and fully walkable roofs. So now that you know a little more about the Keystone Coleman line overall, let's look at its design across individual models. Let's start with the 13B and 13R. Under 16 feet in length, both of these models still provide surprising comfort and capability. With a bunk setup in the 13B and a desk option in the 13R, these sister models are the perfect campers for families or couples who want a small footprint without sacrificing amenities. Enjoy a kitchenette with appliances, a bathroom with a shower, and an electric fireplace and wall mount AC to stay nice and comfortable. As new hybrid additions to Coleman's compact lineup, the 13S and 13T reimagine what a camper under 16 feet can do. The 13S includes a unique rear entry layout with a primary bed, jackknife sofa, flip-down bunk, and a versatile desk area that doubles as a workspace or TV stand. Meanwhile, the 13T debuts as one of the smallest toy haulers on the market, pairing a drop-down rear garage with a Murphy bed, front kitchen, and pop-out side tent for extra sleeping space. Both still pack in a wet bath, storage, and even a fireplace. Coleman's most iconic models, the 17B and 17R, are widely popular bunk and couples floor plans that provide everything you need for the complete RV experience. These are easily towable, fit in almost any campsite, and give you a kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping options in an approachable single-axle travel trailer. Features like a 42,000 BTU tankless water heater prove these lightweight campers can still offer a home-like experience even at the campsite. For a slightly longer rear living model, the 19R includes a back room with 3 large windows, offering panoramic views while dining or lounging. A midship bathroom and front bedroom make this open concept floor plan feel a bit more cozy and compartmentalized. Plus, dual bedside wardrobes and spacious kitchen cabinetry make for great designated storage. Upgrade your bunk situation with the 23B, a double-over-double bunk setup that includes a unique approach to the living room with a dividing sofa and privacy curtain for the front bedroom. This perfect middle ground offers more room than the 17B without the addition of a slide out. Are you ready for a bunkhouse with a super slide? Well, the 25B has a similar floor plan to the 23B, complete with a rear spot for the double bunks, but now you've got a slide out expanded living and dining area that's great for family dining or sleeping additional guests. Plus, the 25B offers a properly private front bedroom, complete with a walk-around queen bed and dual wardrobes. Another thing to love, the extended kitchen countertop. For proper rest and relaxation, the 25R is an extended slide-out equipped rear living model that includes a rear lounge with dual recliners and a central coffee table. Not only is this great for enjoying the scenery from those large windows, but it's excellent for entertaining and hosting guests. A convertible dinette allows for extra sleeping, and the pass-through bathroom gives the front bedroom additional privacy. Sleep well on a queen-size bed and enjoy the independence of a second entryway in and out of the bedroom. Featuring a rear bunk room with 4 bunks and an outdoor kitchen, the 27B is designed not only to sleep bigger families, but also to provide all the comfort and functionality you need when traveling with a larger group. The midship super slide offers extra space for dining and relaxing across from the L-shaped kitchen with an extendable countertop. Storage abounds inside and out on Coleman's largest travel trailer. So 9 floor plans for small families, couples, and larger families. But now let's get into what really matters, and that's how these affordable trailers hold up under the skin. Every Coleman travel trailer is built on a rugged I-beam frame with stamped steel cross members and full outriggers for added structural support. Keystone also includes color-coded wiring for simplified maintenance and solar prep, along with inverted outlets to ease solar system integration without rewiring. To enhance livability, Keystone raised the interior ceiling height to 78 inches, creating more headroom and enabling better ventilation, larger showers, and improved storage design. In the kitchen, many models featured upgraded drawers with full extension guides, and Keystone used stronger sidewalls and bottoms for greater durability. Combined with thoughtful cabinet design, these trailers offer smarter organization without pushing beyond entry-level pricing. Pass-through storage is available in all units except some of the 13s, which still includes some exterior storage. Meanwhile, larger units like the 27B include pass-through storage with larger baggage doors for easier access. This focus on practicality, durability, and comfort demonstrates Keystone's commitment to delivering value-driven trailers that exceed expectations while still remaining affordable. Coleman's towability is also one of its key features. While the best way to determine your vehicle's towing capacity is to utilize a tool like our towing guide and input the VIN or year, make, model, and trim package of your tow vehicle, here's a brief overview of what vehicles can safely tow your Coleman. As mentioned, Coleman's lengths range from just under 16 to nearly 32 feet, with dry weight starting at just over 2,400 pounds and reaching almost 6,100. Factoring in cargo capacities, their gross vehicle weight ratings range from 3,500 to 8,100 pounds. Mid-size SUVs like the Chevy Traverse, Jeep Grand Cherokee, and Toyota 4Runner may be able to tow select single-axle Coleman models, such as the 13B, 13R, or 17B, depending on their tow package. For most double-axle Colemans, especially those over 5,000-pound GVWR, a larger SUV or half-ton truck is the preferred choice. SUV models include the GMC Yukon, Chevy Tahoe, and Jeep Grand Wagoneer. And trucks like the Ford F-150, Ram 1500, and Toyota Tundra offer a safer and more confident towing experience, especially on longer trips or when climbing grades. If you're unsure, always verify your vehicle's tow rating and match it against the trailer's loaded weight, not just the dry weight. A weight distribution hitch may also be required or recommended depending upon the trailer length and tongue weight. Coleman travel trailers are a proven choice for those looking for an affordable, easy towable travel trailer, and Keystone's improvements and designs have elevated this lineup beyond what you'd expect from a camper that's this affordable. Want to explore Coleman floor plans, compare models, or see one in person? Simply head into your local Camping World. Thanks for watching. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see you.